Hey guys, let's change the rear diff on these two 2022 Suzuki King Quad 750s. Check your owner's manual. Now this is what mine said to use, what the dealer gave me. Check on yours. We'll go through it, make this video short and sweet. Save yourself some money, save some time. Where I live at, I can change these two fluids on both of my machines. In the time it would take me to load them up on my trailer, strap them down, get them to the dealer, sign the paperwork, get home. I'm all the way well done by then and saving some money along the way. Come on, guys, let's change these things. So again, just go to your owner's manual. This is what mine said to use, or what the dealer said to use for mine. And then I kind of just take some notes here. I just took, again, this right out of the owner's manual again. In the rear differential, final gear oil, basically what you're seeing here. And it says it takes about 26 ounces. So I just copied and pasted that right out of the owner's manual. Do the same on yours, simple enough. Or go to the dealer, they'll tell you what to use. I got 2 bottles there because doing these 2 machines just took me just a second. I popped the rear skid plate off, hurry up and drain it, fill them both back up. But you didn't even have to move one of them. It only takes just a few minutes. I can do them both with moving them around and everything in 20, 25 minutes. Let's fill them up. I want to show you the pump we're going to hook up to the bottle real quick. I use this for the front diff too, but not this same pump. I just keep that in a separate bag. It has a little attachment here that makes it work really nice on a quart bottle. So these are only quart bottles, and even though it says gallon on it, I'll leave a description below, and I'll hook this up, and then we just kind of pump it into the top there. I do have in this garage somewhere a curved up funnel that would work, but heck, I can't find it. So I'm just going to hook this pump up to it real quick and pump it in there. All right, we just opened up this fluid gallon pump here, slippery Pete. It comes with these 3 caps, 3 tubes. And remember, I'm only using a quart, so this will screw right under the cap. I've used it in the past. And then I just take the smallest of the 3 attachments, shove it into the bottom, screw the cap on, and you start pumping. It's got this nice little end on it. Pumps really nice for doing your differential fluids. Here is the drain plug. I'm gonna use a 19 millimeter, drain it right there. I just took off the bottom skid plate. There was 4 little easy to take off bolts. And then right there up top, you can see the cap. We unscrew it and we can pour fluid in or pump it in. So we'll drain it out real quick, pour it in, and we're done. This is a very easy project. It can take you 10, 15 minutes tops. I did take the cap off. You can see right there. That's where we're gonna fill it. I just took it off so the fluid would dump out a little bit easier. But it's really a pretty simple job. Has not been difficult at all. Got about 500 miles on this rear end fluid here. It's a wet brake, so you'll notice on the bottle that we're using, that's what it says on it, but take a look at your owner's manual, see what you got. Simply that easy. There's no magnet on this one here. There is on the front diff. The front diff's the same thing. So here you got the rear diff with the wet brake application. We really, once it's done draining, I put this back in, and I can even use a funnel. We got a curved funnel we can pour it in. You just pour it up to where it starts to spill out, or you can pump it in, just that quick. This pump out here real quick kind of shows you what it looks like too. This one's just almost empty. I'll combine bottles. Just don't want to make too much of a mess. See, I put the little adapter on the bottom, and if you look, it just screws right on. Okay, so we're going to fill the rear end fluid up. Suzuki King Quad, pop the cap off. I have a funnel too, just so you guys know. You can put a funnel on there, but again, I got this. This is that thing I was just showing everybody, the pump. The only thing with the pump, sometimes you got to hold the end of the tube on the pump, because I had it pop off doing my front diff. So here you can see. And this piece here will try to slide off you. You just want to hold it. If you even hold it a little, it's fine. The end of this tube's got a little gripper on it. If you're doing a job by yourself, it's real nice and easy to hold it. It'll hold it in there for you. This design, again, I just love it because it's really, you got to really work it to screw it up. And again, that's it. It's filled up. You can see it right there to the top. Put the cap on, we're done. All right, thanks for tuning in. Just got done changing the rear end fluid on this 2022 Suzuki King Quad 750. Quick recap, drain bolt at the bottom. There's the fill up top. And there's the fluid we used. Check your owner's manual. Just got to screw this cap back on. We're done. It's really easy. I have big hands and they still fit in there, so it's not too bad. Put the skid plate back on. I'm Dirty Jack. Thanks for coming along with us. Hope to see you on the trails.